sing so bad.
No.
You sing so bad. You sing so bad.
Okay, get in the car. It ain't that high. Go on. In the car. Leaving your dogritos on the ground. Why can't you just get in the car? All right, then.
Father.
You take 6 feet back. Back up. Back up. What the hell? What?
Hi. Hi. Good morning. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
To you. Happy birthday, dear Bulma. Happy birthday to you. Ha. We love you. Blow out your candle. Blow it out. Don't kill yourself.
Agua. 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 Agua.
Agua.
Agua.
Agua. Agua. Agua. Agua.
Agua.
Agua.
Agua. Agua. Agua.
Enzo? Enzo? Where is Enzo? 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 Baby! Hey, baby! Hi!
Winston, that's not a door. You can come through that. Come here.
Here's a hilarious idea for any dog owners out there. Pull up to a yard sale, tires screeching and all. Frantically ask if they have any haunted amulets. Yell towards your dog in your back seat, "I'm trying to get the damn spell reversed, Greg, give me a minute." Then look at them with a completely straight face and ask if they have the damn amulet or not. Sir Winston out.
I have these pillows to do they're the same color. So I'm also thinking of doing some sort of string light situation over there. Paul. Oh God. Paul.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got
do, so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move, so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help.
My parents force me to wear diapers when visiting other people's houses because I am not yet potty trained. Maybe if I give my mom puppy eyes, she might take this shit off. Let me try again.
Jackson, what's wrong? Daddy's on the phone over here, buddy, look. Over here.
Jackson, can you say hi to me?
Jackson, Daddy says hi.
Did you like the stage? Did you like it?
Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at him.
Is my baby boy swimming? Yeah. Oh.
Excuse me. I'm sorry.
Good lad. Here you go. A little bit of ice cream.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Look how calm.
Oh my god. Gosh. He does love it.
Here we go. Here is the captain, co-captain of the New Cannon Dogs swim team. He's on, oh, now it's the New Cannon Dogs lounge team.
Yeah, he's a good boy. He's a good man.
Rascal.
Choopy, go get it. Go get it, boy. Go get it. Get it.
Okay. She don't put his head.
Bima? Okay, let's do for Nimos. Come here, Cooper. Good boy, Cooper.
Lucy, ready for your lunch? Sit.
Come on, Nugget. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Good boy.
Bang! Good boy!
Are you hot? Are you tired? He likes it! Yummy! What is that? How good?